So how often should you reseal your concrete, and what kind of sealer should you use? If you've got a concrete driveway or patio here in Wisconsin, you already know it goes through a lot. Between harsh winters, UV rays, oil stains, salt, and constant use, your concrete takes a beating. And while concrete is strong, it's not maintenance free. Over time, it can wear down, crack, and lose its clean, finished look if it's not properly protected. That's why sealing matters. So in this video, you'll learn what a sealer actually does, the different types available, and how often you should reseal to keep your concrete protected and looking great for years to come. Okay, so what does a concrete sealer actually do, and why does it matter? A good sealer protects your concrete in 4 key ways. First, it blocks moisture. That helps prevent cracking and surface damage, especially during freeze-thaw cycles. Second, it repels stains from oil, grease, and other spills, making cleanup easier. Third, it shields your concrete from sun damage, preventing fading or breakdown from UV rays. And fourth, it improves the appearance. Depending on the type, it can give your surface a natural matte or glossy finish. So whether you're trying to protect your investment or just want it to look better, a good sealer makes a noticeable difference. Now, what are the different types of concrete sealers and which one lasts the longest? There are 5 main types, and each has its pros and cons. Acrylic sealers are popular and give a glossy look, but they wear down faster. You can expect to reseal every 1 to 3 years. Silicone-based sealers don't change the look and last longer, typically 3 to 5 years. Polyurethane sealers are tougher, great for high-traffic driveways or patios, also 3 to 5 years of protection. Epoxy sealers are extremely durable, but not ideal for areas with direct sunlight because they can yellow over time. They're best for garages or shaded areas. And then there's penetrating sealers. They absorb into the concrete and protect from within. They last 5 years or more and don't change the appearance at all. Each one serves a different purpose. It just depends on your priorities. So how often should you reseal your driveway or patio? Here's a simple breakdown. Acrylic sealers every 1 to 3 years. Polyurethane or epoxy every 3 to 5 years. And penetrating sealers every 5+ years. Keep in mind, this depends on use, weather, and exposure. More traffic or sunlight means more frequent resealing. Less use and more shade, you can stretch it out longer. So what really affects how long your concrete sealer lasts? Well, we kind of already referred to it, but there are 4 key factors. One is climate. Freeze-thaw cycles, rain and snow wear sealers down faster. The second is traffic. More cars or foot traffic means more wear. Third is sun exposure. UV rays break down the sealer, especially glossy finishes. And finally, spills. Oil, salt, or fertilizer can degrade the surface coating over time. Understanding these factors helps you plan resealing at the right time, not too early and not too late. If you're not sure which sealer is best for your home, here's a quick way to decide. If you want long-lasting protection without changing the look, choose a penetrating sealer. If you like a glossy finish and are okay resealing more often, go with acrylic. If you've got a high traffic area or want a tough stain resistant layer, look at a polyurethane or epoxy sealer. Choosing the right sealer depends on your goals, traffic, and how much maintenance you're okay with long term. If you're not sure what condition your concrete is actually in or what kind of sealer makes the most sense, that's exactly what we're here to help with. Just click the link below to schedule a free 15-minute consultation and estimate. We'll take a look at your driveway or patio, answer your questions, and give you honest, expert advice. No pressure, just what's best for your home. Thanks so much for watching. We look forward to talking with you soon.